Hello, I'm Princess Elise. We are ready for the next Soleanna story. Chapter 4. Return of Sonic. Fortunately, Sonic, Knuckles, and Tails returned to the present via Chaos Control, and Sonic chased Eggman down again and saved me from an exploding train. As Sonic brought me to safety, I told Sonic with great joy that she knew he would be back. Soon afterwards, Silver attacked them again, and Eggman captured me again while Sonic was preoccupied. Sonic managed to escape due to the timely arrival of Shadow, and caught up to them. Stating that I would rather die than be Eggman's prisoner again, fell off of Eggman's Eggmobile in a desperate attempt to get away from him, but Sonic caught me just before I hit the ground and ran with Sonic off into the jungle in order to escape Eggman after he unleashed the Egg Genesis on them. On their way, Sonic told me to return to the castle where I would be safe. When I showed visible depression at being told this, Sonic took a shortcut to a lake in the middle of the jungle where I was fascinated by the area's beauty. I asked Sonic if he plans on leaving Soleanna once he defeated Eggman. He told me that he does, but assured me that he would remember the city. Desperately fighting back tears in remembrance of my late father's warnings, I hugged Sonic in an emotional scene, who told me to smile once more as words of comfort. Soon afterwards, however, Eggman returned, threatening to destroy the city unless I agreed to negotiate with him by 4 o'clock. Having witnessed and heard Eggman's ultimatum from the royal castle, I willingly surrendered to his demands in order to protect the city, and Eggman revealed his plans for the flames of disaster. He plans on using them to control time itself. I am later seemingly killed when the egg carrier exploded due to an unstable engine, as well as Eggman, but Sonic and Silver used Chaos Control to go back in time and save them both, as Sonic is able to board the egg carrier before it departed the hangar and aquatic base, thus confronting Eggman on the bridge as he discovered his ship was on the verge of destruction. Sonic and I jump across the exploding pieces of the egg carrier, but fall short of solid ground and began to fall back towards the ocean. Fortunately, the remains of the egg carrier then explode and propel them upwards. I and Sonic made it out unharmed, and then suddenly crack up laughing. Sonic then congratulated her for her smile. End of Chapter 4. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.